Alright guys, so I wanted to show y'all our new online booking system. First, you're going to come to our website, godetailergo.com. From there, if you already know the service you want, you'll go to book an appointment here. Once you're there, you want to go ahead and put in your information, and you'll also select your vehicle. We'll go to 2022. I really like the new Alfa Romeos, and I'd love to have one here. Shout out to anyone that's watching. Bring me your Alfa. So we'll choose the Stelvio, and then you have all these options to choose from here. It's actually not that many, guys. I try to make it simple and easy. In this case, if you've got a brand new Alfa Romeo, you need to get a ceramic coating on it. So you would choose ceramic coating, and right now we're featuring this signature ceramic coating package for $750. Normally it's $1,100. You would choose that package, and then you would choose the type of vehicle that you're going with. So each one, as you can see, has a different price point, so make sure that you choose the correct option. Alright, so now you've got your ceramic coating package selected. Let's say that you also want to get those wheels coated. That's where you would go down to our a la carte package and you would add that on. So once you select the a la carte package, a lot of options are going to open up for you. The first one is wheel coating though, because we're running a special on that as well. So you would choose the wheel coating, choose the size of your wheels, and then you can browse the rest of our a la carte if you'd like. If you'd like a leather conditioner add-on, you can do that. If you want, let's say you have some bugs, you can select bug removal, standard or excessive. This was really meant to cover everything that you could possibly want, but not too much. Everything, but not too much, because I wanted to keep it simple. So here's another awesome package, windshield ceramic coating. You can do that. All right, once you've got everything selected that you want, you'll pick the date and the time. We'll go with Friday in this case. It'll even let you know what the weather's looking like. So you probably don't want to get this done if it's going to be 43% rain. Here's another very important step. You want to let me know what your 3 wishes are. So let's say you're very particular about windows. So windows, spotless, please. All right. Let's say that you really want those calipers really, really clean. Like, these are the particular things that we need to know. So you want spotless calipers, because that's one of your pet peeves, right? And number 3, let's say that you just want to give us a little encouragement and say super glossy paint. Glossy paint, please. All right, so this is very important because it lets us know exactly what you want. Now, obviously, everybody's going to want super glossy paint, but some people don't care about the windows, so we do a good job regardless, but this tells us to really quadruple check those windows. Make sure there's nothing going to be on them when you leave. Down here, you can enter a coupon code. We always run specials on our Google page, guys, so make sure you're checking our Google page out. Let us know how you heard about us here, and then let us know if there's a service not listed that you would like us to offer. When you're done with that, you hit book appointment now, and you're done. It's that easy, guys. Let me know in the comments if y'all have any questions. Also, always feel free to give us a call if you have any questions that you need answered immediately that are not covered here in the booking form. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you guys in here soon.